Alright, so hello everyone. This is the first release video of this assistant.nvim plugin, and in this video we are talking about the breaking changes and what new features are coming to this plugin. But before starting the main content of this video, I, I'm gonna be thanking you which are giving a star on this repo. I I really appreciate the love which you guys giving this plugin, and to grow this plugin even further, you can always open an issue and make a feature request any and point out any bugs. uh, I'm always working on those pull requests and issues. So let's get on the topic straight and forward. So the documentation are not updated yet, but I will update it soon, and it working completely fine. So you can update this plugin by your lazy package manager or whatever plugin manager you are using. So let's let's see what breaking changes are coming to this plugin. So let's open a file. So this is a simple C++ file, and everything is same. We are just talking about those breaking changes. So let's open the plugin UI with leader A, uh, the same key binding for open the or toggle the window. You can see the colors are little different and little dull, because I want to make a great user experience. Because UI in the previous version, the UI is a little intense, which makes user discomfortable, or I mean, in competitive programming, the programmer should focused on the test cases, not on the UI. So I make the color of this plugin a little dull, so that the programmer can more focused on the sample tests. So the first breaking changes is the tab switching. So in the previous version, you want if you want to switch the tab, I mean, in previous version you don't have any ability to switch the tabs, I think, or you have it, I think, but it's not a tab switching. It's just the uh, normal run test functionality which automatically switch your tabs. But now you have the ability to switch your tab by just pressing the tab key. So if I simply it toggles the tabs, you can easily toggle the tabs by pressing the tab key, which is a great and fast move in this plugin. So by this, uh, it has a little bit more kind of a feature. It stores which tab you last opened it. I mean, you have two tabs like assistant.nvim and the run test tab. So if I close this and reopen it, it starts with this tab, not the home tab. In previous versions, it always starts from this home tab. So now it's store the tab information which you last visited. So now let's move on to the next breaking changes, which is the single test running functionality. So as you know, we can press Shift R to run these test cases. As you can see, I run the test cases, and now it shows how much time this process takes to run the test cases. And you can see the key binding for toggling the sample tests is same, but you can see here now the time is shown, how much time it takes to run. So now, but let's open a new file to show this breaking change a little more. Don't go on these errors, these are only the linting errors. We have to focus on the plugin. So you can see here are two test cases. In the previous version, you don't have the ability to run a single test. If you want only run this test, so you don't have the ability in previous version. Now you can do that. You know, the to run all the test cases, you have the Shift and R to run both of these test cases. But now if I open this, so you can run you can move the cursor on this test on the test case which you want to run, and just press simple R. So it runs the first test case, not the second one. So It is a great uh, functionality because uh, it is way easier to see the output only the test case which you want to run, and if you want to run all of them you can always press shift and R, which runs both of them. And if you want to run only the first one you can simply R and it will run it. So as you can see, if I go on to the second test case, it run it, you can see here. So this is the second breaking change of this plugin, and I think these are only the breaking changes, and which makes this plugin more user friendly, and you can switch the tabs with only just pressing the tab key, which is I think an awesome move to make this plugin a more awesome. So so this is the tab switching functionality, and this is the single test running functionality, and now it shows you how much time it takes to run the process. So these are only the changes are done in the uh, new release of this plugin. So if you want any new features or any new, if you face any bugs, you can always put a issue on this issue tab, and I will work immediately on it. So, and if you like or if you're enjoying this by using this plugin, you can simply give a star, like those four peoples are giving this star, which is really nice and appreciated. I appreciate all of them which are using this plugin, and make a fun of it. Make I don't know, they are comfortable with this plugin, that's why they are using and giving on the star. You can all, you also put a star on it if you like this plugin. So this is the main content of this video. Now let's you can simply update this by your lazy manager. I guess I don't forget anything else in this release. No, I don't think so. So this is the video, and enjoy this plugin. Thank you.